Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Did a video a couple of weeks ago about the Flow Pro remote system, and so just wanted to do a little update on that with something we have for you guys that have pull start machines. So you can use a remote too. So I got that coming up next. Okay guys, I did a video a couple of weeks ago on the Flow Pro remote control system, and it's really designed for guys that are using battery packs, not battery packs, but regular 12-volt batteries, just wiring it to your machine. But Judd has come out with something, actually came out with it a while ago, but he came out with something that allows, even if you have like a pull start machine, like a 4 gallon per minute or 5 gallon per minute machine that's pull start, that you can also use a Flow Pro and be able to remotely change from your bleach to your rinse cycle. And so what it basically is this is a battery pack that you can get. We don't sell these here. We actually have some, but I've only got like 4 or 5 of them, and we'll sell them whatever they cost us, 28 bucks. I'm not looking to make money off of this, but if you buy the Flow Pro, I'll sell it to you for whatever it cost us. But it's basically a battery pack that you would charge. I would say charge it probably every day before you're going to use it, and that's the battery pack. And then you've got a charger cord here. And what has happened is Judd has made available this little cord. He sent me 4 or 5 of these and did not charge me anything. So again, if you order this, you can order this off of Amazon. As a matter of fact, I'll put my Amazon affiliate link down below, so that if you just want to go to Amazon and order this, you can order it. Like I said, I think it's about 28 bucks. And then let me know, as long as Judd is making these available to me at no charge, and I'm not going to charge you. If he comes a point where he needs to charge, which I would certainly understand, then we'll charge whatever he's charging. The main thing we want to do is make sure that you guys with pull start machines can get one of these. And so this end is simply going to go into the end of your Flow Pro cord, and then it plugs into the battery pack up here, and that will power like that, and that will power your Flow Pro for those with pull start machines. So it's a great little handy thing to have for you guys. You can just kind of tape this to your machine or strap it to your machine, maybe put it in a little baggie so the elements don't get to it. But great little thing to have if you want to be able to use a portable machine and be on the back side of a house and be able to remotely change from bleach to rinse and operate just like any of us that have a regular 12-volt battery. So if you order one of these at the store, DougRuckerStore.com, then just put in the notes that you need the battery adapter, okay? If you want to buy the battery pack from us, you can do that. We don't have it on the website, but we'll just have to send you a separate invoice for it. Like I said, I've only got 4, but it'd be easier if you just go to Amazon, order it from them. You can, if you're a Prime member, you can probably get it the next day. The reason I don't really want to sell them is if you have a problem, I can't back it up. I'm not going to back it up. So go to Amazon and buy it. Don't buy it through me. Again, that's basically it. Just wanted to kind of show you that. Again, the Flow Pro hooks up to a downstream bypass injector. By the way, this is one of those where we moved the ball valve. I saw a picture of Judd at the Florida event, at Trudy's event in Florida, and I noticed he was holding his like this or like that or whatever, and I said, wow, he's got the ball valve going straight across. And then a couple of days later, I think it was in a Facebook group or maybe on YouTube, I can't remember, somebody was showing how they built their downstream injector like this instead of, nope, that's the same, no, yeah, instead of like how I've done it for years, is just this way. So the water would come across like this, go down. If you've got the ball valve turned, the water goes down this way, up, bypasses the injector. If you turn the ball valve, then the water just goes straight across and picks up your solution. But I saw Jed holding this, and I meant to message him, but then I saw a video from somebody, and they put the ball valve up here, so when the water comes across, it's a straight shot. If you turn the ball valve like so, then the water is going to come down this way through the loop and up, and it's going to grab your chemical through your chemical injector and then on down the line. So supposedly, and it makes sense, the direction of the flow when you're rinsing is a straight shot and should give you full flow. I've never noticed any problem doing it this way. I've never noticed any loss, any flow. So we might start making them this way and put them on there. But anyway, I just wanted to show that I had seen. And I guess if you ever order a downstream bypass injector, then just tell us, hey, you want the ball valve on top, not on the side. We'll be happy to do that for you. Okay? So hope that helps you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, comment, and hit the bell so you get notifications. Don't forget March 19th from 8 to noon. That's a Saturday. Steve Venturini is going to be here from Deco Products. I'm hoping he can get Mark Tuliano here too. But they'll be here, and we're going to do a sealing, concrete and paver sealing training. It's absolutely free, but you do have to register. So go to pressurecleaningschool.com/events and make sure you get RSVP'd for that, because we need to know how many people are coming. If you want to get here about 7:30, we'll have coffee and donuts and do a little networking before. And then as usual, people will be hanging out afterwards and do some more networking. So March 19th, that's a Saturday, absolutely free training. We're going to have some giveaways. Steve is going to give away some product. I'll probably give away some products and some stuff too. So make sure you get registered. pressurecleaningschool/events. That's the Deco paver sealing, concrete sealing, all of that kind of stuff, training, absolutely free. That is something that you really want to make sure that you take a hard look at, because there's not a lot of people doing it, and it can be a great either add-on to your business or a niche, just doing nothing but sealing of brick buildings, brick pavers, clay pavers, all kind, pool decks, travertine. There's just a wealth of business out there that I feel like in the Houston area especially is not really being capitalized on. So hope to see you guys here March 19th, 8 to noon. Y'all have a blessed day. Good is the enemy of great. There isn't any reason why you can't take your good pressure washing business and turn it into a great exterior cleaning business.